Hey guys, welcome to Jamieson's Strange UK and welcome to an episode of Jamieson's Railway Adventures. I'm in a bit of a hurry here. But yeah, the plan for the weekend, going to do vintage buses at Edinburgh and Glasgow. I'm going to go to Edinburgh for the two Olympians. I may found one of the journeys from the last episode, but I'm doing it again on the Royal Highland Olympian. And then I'm going to do the Volvo Olympian as well. And then tomorrow is the West End Festival of Vintage Buses, so I'm going to be doing that. So yeah, that's the plan. But I'll give you a wee update in a bit, because I am actually... Alright guys, just arrived at the Glasgow Central. We took B80 114 from Kilwinning. At the moment we're waiting for the 158, which will take us to Edinburgh. But that's not a bad combination. 158 Volvo Highland Olympians, so it should be a good wee afternoon. Yeah, waiting for the 158 to come in and now we got 158 726. Alright guys, we just arrived at Haymarket. Yeah, that was 158 726. It took us very central to here. So now time for the Olympians now. So alright guys, we're back in Edinburgh. Successfully filmed the two journeys on the Olympians. As you can see, there's the Volvo Olympian, but we also done the Highland Olympian. But I know I've done it like in the last episode, but a different video, but I just decided to help it. Yeah, plan is now is just to fuck out a pipe and get the HST back to Glasgow. Actually I got a feeling it'll be a Voyager. Idea. But anyway, yeah, gonna head back to Edinburgh Station. Alright guys, we just arrived into Glasgow Central. Yeah, we got 284 at the rear. Let's see what's in the front. But I had a few beers on the train. Only me. And there's a few drunks. Right, anyway, I've got to see what power car there is at the front. Right, run, fat boy, run. Sweet, run, albino, run. Oh, drop that. Alright guys, we're heading for the 11:30 back to Kilwinning. 380. That's what we're heading for. Yeah, I decided to get the 11:30. Just have a couple of beers. But 380 we got. There she's there. Yeah, the zoom thing is there we go, that's unit we got, 003. Yeah, I got issues with this camera. To like zoom in and turn the thing on. But anyway, I'll see you all when we get to Kilwinning. Alright guys, wee quick update. It's actually going to be a 6 car. because we get 380 join on the train. I cannot get access to the trains because yeah, they're doubling up the units, so we get 380 888 and 380 whatever units at the back. But anyway, I'll see you all when we get to... Alright guys, we just arrived back at Kilwinning. Yeah, I couldn't get the video session of the 380 leaving because I put the camera on the wrong setting. But yeah, it's quite busy. But anyway, I'll see you all when we get to the guys, we just arrived into Glasgow Central. We took 380 116, and this will be my next train. Yeah, we're going to go straight to Partick. I was going to get the direct bus from there, but I decided to go straight to the Transport Museum because I can see what buses are there and I can quickly set the camera up and that. So anyway, I wouldn't waste the half an hour. It's always like that, be extra half hour. And there's my train. But give you a wee update as soon as we get to... it's a wee update for you. We're at the Riverside Transport Museum and I have successfully filmed a journey. But at the moment I am over the moon because look, it's running today. Yeah, we'll try to get a journey filmed on that. And also there's a lantern over there, we'll try to get a journey film. This one there, focus fast for it, so I might have a wee journey film on that. But yeah, that's 3 potential buses we'll get next. So I'll give you a wee update whenever I can. So I'll see you on a bit. Alright guys, wee update please. I know it's been a while, but I'm back in Glasgow Central after filming about 5 or 6 vintage bus journeys. But yeah, met up with Craig Cameron, Craig Lloyd and that. Went for a Wetherspoons, so that was good. But now I'm just heading home and the unit we've got 388010. So this will take us home. I was going to stay out longer, but I just cannot be fucked today. I'm absolutely knackered. But yeah, I'll give you a wee update as soon as we get into Kilwinning. Alright guys, final update. Well, as you can see, we're back in the house. All I can say is what a cracking weekend. I really enjoyed that. Like I said, yesterday we got the 2 vintage Lothian buses, Leyland Olympian and Volvo Olympian, so I managed to film them. And then today went up to the Riverside Transport Museum. I've managed to film about 5 or 6 journeys. I hopefully kind of turned out well because the camcorder, the screen on it is completely goose now. I can't really see it at all, but I've managed to get it on record. So I need to see if I can try to get the screen on the camcorder fixed. But yeah, I kind of keep my fingers crossed and hopefully the videos turn out well. But I did film some of the journeys using this camera after the problem started, so I used this camera. But we'll see how it turns out. So then after that, went back to the city centre, went to Wetherspoons, then took 380 114 back here. So yeah, that's basically that. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and also I would like to take the time to thank every single one of you for getting us up to 300 subscribers. Really appreciate that one. So I think the next episode should be the 300 sub special, but I need to think of a plan and that, but I think the time when this episode's up I'll probably have a plan sorted out. I don't know, just gonna need to see. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you probably next time for the 300 sub special. So see you later on.